Hey guys, it's the final day of challenge. Yesterday I successfully hit 100k and today I'm aiming for 150. I started this challenge with just $16,000 and in only 3 days I managed to grow it into 150 grands. Let's see how we finish. Time to get started. And that's it everyone. The final day of the challenge is complete. Starting with just $16,000, I have successfully reached 150 grands in only 3 days. Thanks to my AI trading bot delivering 98% accurate signals to me. If you are ready to achieve similar results, don't wait, join now. The link is in the comment section. Thank you for following all this journey and I will see you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.